Hello everyone, I am Tarnwal Reddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 26 of 100 Days of Cloud by Cloud. In the day 26 task, we are going to set up Nginx web server in the EC2. So let's start the task. Clearly check the task here. We need to create an EC2 instance and that should be of Ubuntu. We actually install the Nginx server by using the user data script. I will explain you clearly when we are writing the user script in the EC2 instance. And also we have to open the port 80 from the internet. So click on console URL. User data script is like we can install the requirements that we are needed to instance while the instance was in launching state. So by the user data script we are going to install the Nginx server. Search for EC2, copy the name of the EC2, click on launch instance, give the name of the instance, select the Ubuntu AMI and the instance type T2 micro, create the key pair, click on edit network settings, add the port of 80 and that was HTTP port anywhere. Before going to click on the launch instance, click on advanced details and this is the user data. What we define in this user data will be installed on the EC2 instance while it was in the launching state. So I'm writing the script cbang /bash sudo apt update sudo apt install Nginx, and then we need to start the Nginx server. Ctl enable Nginx sudo systemctl start Nginx. Just click on launch instance. Now when the launch instance was in launching state, the Nginx also being installed in the EC2 instance. The port 80 also opened. Once the instance was created successfully, we can check the Nginx web server is created or not. The instance was launched successfully. Select the instance and click on connect, or we can check by copying the public URL, public IP, and it's not opening. Let's try to connect to the EC2 instance, and we can check to the console by using the curl command. Nginx, and the instance Nginx was installed successfully and it was actually running. Just use the command curl localhost and we're able to get the output of default Nginx web server page. Click on security. The port 80 was also opened. Now let's again try to copy the public URL and check. And by the browser also we can able to access the default website of the Nginx web server. So check the task and see we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.